Hello, my friends. I know it's been a couple of weeks since I last uploaded. Been busy with real life stuff and all. But now I'm back with a brand new unboxing and review. I got this at Target a few days ago, in case you saw my post. So now I present to you the Around the Farm engine pack, which consists both push-along and motorized items. Like that. It consists of 5 push-along engines and 1 motorized engine and rolling stock, plus 2 cows. Now let's head on down to the farm and get right to the unboxing. Down on the farm. Here you get it. Down on the farm. There we go. Whoop. Gotta get all the tape off. There we go. Here are the contents, and plus the instructions, to which I don't necessarily need, because I already know how the motorized engines work. Yeah, as you can see, this pack contains both push-along and motorized items, as I mentioned earlier. So to start off, let's have a look at the push-along engines. I'll just get the motorized Thomas out later. But anyways, here is push-along farm Thomas with sheep, ducks, and butterflies. I don't know about you, but Thomas thinks this is pretty bad for him to have animals all over him. Bad, get it? Bad, bad. But anyways, here's the Thomas. Just a Thomas. And off to the pasture he goes. Stop Kana with sunflowers and more butterflies. Kana's pretty excited that she's now at the farm. After the day's work was done. Wait, is it just me? Or, or does this part feel loose? I mean, it feels pretty loose. Have they always done this with the push along versions of Kana? Hmm, I don't know. Anyways, up to the sunflower field she goes. Next up, Percy. Now, Percy looks pretty pretty disturbed, and yeah, around him we got pigs. We got a pig, a sheep, a couple of ducks, a couple of butterflies, and on the other side we got more ducks and more butterflies. Yeah, Percy is definitely not looking Percy perfect, as evidenced on the face. Hey, there's there's nothing to quack about, and there's nothing to be bad about either. Oop, he almost took a tumble. Oh, as for Kana, it looks like she's in bloom. She's blooming with excitement. Next up, Diesel, with green buffers, a green running board, more green buffers. With we got pigs and butterflies on both sides. And Diesel's looking pretty pissed. But hey, there's nothing to. But hey, you shouldn't you shouldn't be squealing about it. After all, at least he decided to bring home the bacon. Oh man, I am so on with these pods. uh, sorry, Diesel. Bad pun, I know. Anyways, that's the Diesel. Come on, Diesel, it was only a joke. Eesh. Lastly, we have Muddy Gordon. I gotta say, this is the third Muddy engine I got. The first two being Thomas and Nia, and I still don't have the Muddy version of Percy as of yet. But I'm not worried, as I plan to get that Percy in the future, whenever I can. Because to me already, it looks like he's pretty hard to come by. Unless we, mm, unless there's a solution to it. Uh, maybe I'll find out soon. But anyways, here's Gordon. And tender, covered in mud. Got brown wheels, brown chassis, brown undercarriage, brown coupling. Yeah, yeah. Again, the lack of buffers, painted buffers. Hey, Mattel had to cut corners somewhere. That shouldn't be an issue, as it can be fixed with a Sharpie. Now, with the push-along engines out of the way, it's time for me to unbox the Motorized Farm Thomas with a piece of rolling stock and 2 cows, 1 brown and 1 black. Here's the Thomas. And here are the cows. Put that over there. So, well, first I look at Thomas. He seems pretty smug. We got a dairy cow. Yeah, on this side we got a dairy cow, some chickens, baby chicks, and a butterfly, a couple of butterflies in fact. On the other side we got another, yeah, that's this side right here. And on another side we got another cow, more chickens, and more butterflies. And there's the chicken coop, where the chickens rest and lay eggs. Again, these all engines go characters don't translate well into Motorized. So, to be honest, they're an utter failure. Utter failure. Oh man. Oh, look. Big Thomas meets Little Thomas. Hey, who the fuck are you? I'm you. I'm you, but I'm bigger. What the fuck? A bigger me? Well, of course I am. I'm bigger than you. I'm bigger than everyone else, in fact. Bruh! Anyways, we all know the drill. Let's power up this Thomas engine. Again, with these long couplings, yeah, I don't need to point out every time, but sometimes these can be really irritating. And it runs. Get these push-along engines out of the way. got the Thomas, and 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 here's a cattle truck, and along with it are two cow figures, one brown, one black. Unfortunately, there's no extra truck for for for, for our black one, so they're probably gonna have to share it. The brown one fits in there. And the brown one fits in, and the black one fits in there too. But if you want, you could try. Yeah, they may not fit. Yeah, they may not fit. As there's no room for this in this truck for both of them, so they only have to share one. Yeah, I don't blame them though. But well, you better get moving. Get moving. Get moving. Out you go, and in you come. And so yeah, that's on the Around the Farm Animal 3. Around the Farm Engine Pack. Both motorized and push along. Now, now that pack was originally about $40, but it became either 33 or 36. So I've got a pretty good deal. So yeah, that's not bad. Yeah. Again, I don't need to point this out, but the long coupling though. I'm irritated with it, just as you're irritated with me telling you about it. But yeah, I'm gonna try and replace it. But for now, that's all I've got to say. Thank you very much for watching, and thank you for 260 subscribers. And I hope to see you real soon.